Today we are talking about a massive new WhatsApp update. And this time, WhatsApp is finally adding features that actually make your daily messaging experience better. For years, WhatsApp kept pushing small feature updates. And every time we told you, WhatsApp is adding this, WhatsApp is adding that. But honestly, none of those features change the way we use WhatsApp in real life. And let's be honest, WhatsApp has become pretty messy. This new update is designed to fix that mess. Now, these updates will not arrive all at once. They will roll out one by one in different versions. But don't worry, we have made a complete list, and today I will break down every new feature WhatsApp is about to introduce. So let's begin. 1. Unknown. Chat requests just like Instagram. WhatsApp is finally adding an unknown chat request system, just like Instagram. If someone has your number or username, their messages will no longer appear directly in your inbox. Instead, they will go to a request section. You can open it whenever you want, and only if you choose to reply. That chat will move into your primary inbox. This is a huge relief because right now, if someone has your number, they can call you at 3 a.m., and that is a big problem. So this update will finally bring some peace. 2. Cross-platform messaging. Telegram, Signal, and More Europe has forced WhatsApp to open messaging to third-party apps, which means even if your friend does not use WhatsApp, if they use Telegram, Signal Line, Viber, or any other supported platform, they will still be able to message you on WhatsApp. This removes WhatsApp's monopoly and is actually going to be very interesting. 3. Advanced storage control. 3 new upgrades. WhatsApp is fully upgrading its storage system. A storage info inside each chat. You can now open any chat and see exactly how much storage that specific chat is using. B. Separate tabs for photos, videos, and audio. Right now, photos and videos appear mixed. Soon, WhatsApp will separate everything. Photos, videos, audio clips, docs, all in different tabs. C. Delete media, but keep chat messages. Earlier, deleting a chat removed everything. Now you can delete all photos, videos, audio files, but keep the text messages safe. This saves a lot of space without losing important chats. 4. Auto AI translation, instant language conversion. WhatsApp is bringing full automatic AI translation. Not like Instagram where you must tap. See translation. Here is how WhatsApp will work. If the other person types in their language and you type in yours, both sides will automatically see the message in their own language. The original text will appear small in the corner. This is a game-changing global feature 5. Dedicated secure mode, high security protection. Remember that viral video where someone showed how sending a simple link could expose your IP address to fix such issues? WhatsApp is adding secure mode once enabled. All advanced security settings turn on suspicious tracking, and link preview risks are blocked. Your privacy goes into high alert. Some features will get disabled, but your security will be airtight. Great for people worried about hacking or data leaks. 6. Limits on messaging. New contacts. WhatsApp is now putting limits to reduce spam. If you message someone new and they do not reply, and you keep messaging again and again, WhatsApp will warn you. Looks like this person is not interested. Please stop messaging. If you continue, WhatsApp may temporarily limit your account. This will stop people who keep sending random quotes, jokes, or fake news every week. 7. Massive upgrade for WhatsApp, web and Mac app. A new media hub is coming. You will be able to view all photos and videos from all chats in one place. Drag and drop them directly to your desktop. Quickly save documents and files. This is extremely helpful for people who use WhatsApp for work or media transfers. 8. Add people to groups. Even if they do not use WhatsApp, just like cross-platform chats, now you can add non-WhatsApp users to WhatsApp groups. For example, Telegram users, Line users, Viber users. They can join your WhatsApp group using their own platform. Huge feature for communities and workplaces. 9. New cover photo feature. Like Facebook, WhatsApp will soon allow cover photos behind your profile. Just like Facebook profile banners great for businesses, public groups, or personal branding. And that is the full list of WhatsApp's upcoming features. Let me know in the comments, which feature are you most excited about? If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. This is 99 Reviews signing off.